Screwdrivers once ruled screen repairs. Now AI robots finish in seconds. But how exactly did we leap from tiny screws and hours of frustration to neural nets that see and fix in a blink? Stick with me, and I'll show you the full story. Back in the day, a cracked phone screen meant a full afternoon of work. You'd heat the adhesive, pry the glass with plastic tools, disconnect ribbon cables one by one, and pray nothing tore. One slip and the whole board was toast. Creators spent 3 or 4 hours per device, tracking every screw in little trays and battling dust that loved to sneak under new screens. Fast forward to today, and the same job looks nothing like that. Automated repair cells now grab a phone, scan it with high-resolution cameras, and an AI vision model instantly maps every layer, connector, and adhesive pattern. Within seconds, the robot knows the exact model, the correct torque for each fastener, and the safest path to lift the old screen without damaging the frame. It even predicts which replacement part will match the color and curvature perfectly. The loop I opened earlier about those tiny screws? Here's where it closes. Instead of hunting for lost hardware, the system uses magnetic feeders and vision-guided arms that never drop a single piece. Neural nets trained on millions of repair photos catch defects the human eye misses, like microbends in the frame that would cause future cracks. The whole swap now takes under 90 seconds from start to finish, and the phone walks away with factory-level alignment. What's wild is how the AI keeps learning. Every repair feeds new data back into the model, so tomorrow's robot is smarter than today's. That means edge cases like water damage boards or custom aftermarket frames get handled without a human ever touching the device. The result? Repair shops that once needed 5 technicians now run with 1 supervisor, while throughput jumps tenfold. Creators who used to film marathon fix-it videos now capture the entire process in a single satisfying shot. So the next time your screen cracks, remember the screwdriver era is over. Neural nets and robotic arms have taken the wheel, and they're not giving it back. If this glimpse into the future of repair blew your mind, drop a comment telling me which gadget you'd love to see automated next.